Hi, I'm Sophie and welcome to my world. Today I have a quick tip for you. Now this actually came from one of my viewers, Claudia Cassandra G. And she said, Sophie, I've noticed when I'm watching your videos that your glue guns are a mess. And she's right. If you look at my glue gun bin, you can see there's lots and lots and lots and lots of glue all over in there. And you can see that my glue guns get kind of yucky and messy. So she gave me a tip, which I thought I would share with you guys. She said, take tin foil and smoosh it up so that you make a good smushy ball. And then heat your glue gun up, and you're going to want to make sure that you have a oven mitt or something like that to keep your hands safe. And then what you want to do, now she says you can unplug it here, but I'm going to leave mine plugged in because I have so much goo. Take your tin foil and you rub it on the hot part of your glue gun, and as you can see, it takes off all that schmutz, which is really, really great if you're like me. Oh, hello, big fly. Did you see that fly? If you have a lot of schmutz on your glue gun. So you just kind of rub it across there and it takes it all off. Now, here's the one thing. It does not help with areas that aren't hot. And so that this is the only part that's hot on my glue gun, and I think on most glue guns, this is the only part that's hot. The handle is not hot. So if you want to do the handle, what I suggest is that you take a hairdryer, and you take that hairdryer and you get that warmed up and you can do the same thing. However, again, always make sure that you're wearing a mitt. And you can wear a mitt on this hand too, but I have such a big ball here that my hand is far enough away. But if you've got a lot of goo and you're going to be getting close to it with your hand, make sure you wear an oven mitt on your other hand. And there you go, Claudia Cassandra G. Thank you so very much for your tip, because you know what? All of my glue guns are nice and clean now, thanks to Claudia. For more fun tips, check us out, sophie-world.com.